Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Hope everyone is doing great. Views right now in front of you HP Smart Tech 515 ink tank printer. This is a new model by HP. Today I will teach you how to enable Wi-Fi Direct in this printer. This printer is, if you don't want to connect it with your home or office Wi-Fi router, how can you print directly from your mobile phone if you don't have any router or the device? Look, if we will search in wireless networks, there is no wireless is appearing of this printer. So today I will teach you how to enable it Wi-Fi Direct to print directly from your smartphone, photos and documents, anything you want to print. And you can see on the screen there is no Wi-Fi Direct sign is appearing here. We have to enable the Wi-Fi Direct, and then we will be able to print directly from our mobile phone. This is wireless button and this is page button, okay, paper button. We have to press these both buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds, and then you will find a sign over here. I will press these two buttons for 3 seconds. Okay, here we go. You will see there is one icon appeared here, and this icon is showing that the Wi-Fi Direct is enabled. Now if I will go to my mobile wireless connect settings, and you will see here Direct DC HP Smart Tank 510. Viewers, this is password protected. Now we don't know what is the password of this Wi-Fi Direct connection. So what to do, how to get the password? We have to click on this button, information button. It will print the wireless settings page, and it will show us that what is the Wi-Fi Direct password. It will take a while and it will print the details of wireless. Let it print, then we will see what is the password, and we will connect our phone directly with this printer. Very useful way, not much difficult. You can do it at home. Let it print. The printer is printing the document, the power light is flashing. As you can see, it's filled the paper. And this is printed information page. I will show you. As you can see on your screen, this is printer information page, and if you find over here that Wi-Fi Direct name is Direct DC HP Smart Tank 510, and the password is 4478825. So we will insert this password in our mobile phone. Here we go. This is Direct DC network name. Okay, I will insert the password 44788. 4478825. We'll click on join, and then you will see, okay, it's connected now. Our mobile phone is connected with this printer through Wi-Fi Direct. Okay, now just no need to go to any app. Okay, if you are Android user or iOS user, both users can go directly to your photos and select any photo or any document. If you have PDF or something, click on here icon, go upward. What is this? Click here and move this, scroll up. You will find the icon here, print. Click on it, this icon, and here you can see on the top, printer, no printer selected. Touch here, you will find HP Smart Tank 510, and there are some other options, presets, default settings, 1 copy, you can make it 2 or 3, black and white, paper size A4. Just click on this right corner on the top, print, and this will be send a command to printer, and the command is executed. You can see the power light is flashing. Okay, it's filled the paper. Let's see. Easily you can print the documents and the photos from any smartphone with this printer through Wi-Fi Direct. It's very useful option. No need to connect this printer with any home or office Wi-Fi router. you can use Wi-Fi Direct to execute your prints. Okay guys, as you can see, it's printing the document. This was the method to enable Wi-Fi Direct. There is another one method also. If you don't want to press these two buttons to enable or disable the Wi-Fi Direct, from HP Smart app you can enable it, but you cannot use HP Smart app until you will connect this printer to your Wi-Fi router. Okay, you can see the picture is printed successfully. Hope you understand the method. In case you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your questions, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.